Hey guys, welcome back, and today we are going to be making a airsoft fort for doing like airsoft games and stuff. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so we're walking down we're going to make it like somewhere down over there. We gotta get the brush hog and get all this weeds out and stuff. So yeah, it's gonna be down over here. So we are gonna make it like right here, like right next to this tree, kind of against this log. So yeah, I'll do a nice time lapse. Okay, so this is what it looks like now. It's kind of like a little hiding area for if you're getting attacked from up there or you're getting attacked from back over here. We're kind of in like a little ravine. So yeah, look at it from this way. Get attacked or something. Yeah. Well, there you go. Got it, number one. Okay, so we got the second one. It's right here. This one's bigger than the other one. Like where you could just hide underneath it. Like if you wanna get like this is how big it is. This is me crouching down. Yeah, I kind of cut open my knee, but that's it. Well, this is number two. I think we're gonna make one more. Well, I'm gonna make one more because Eli left. He had to go eat or something like that. Then we're gonna make one more, and then that'll be the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and then we'll see you on the next one. If you guys wanna check out Caden's channel, it'll be in the description. If you guys would like and subscribe, that'd be awesome. And we are going to be making more airsoft videos. I just ordered a airsoft gun today, so which should be here about around the day that I'm kind of posting this. So yeah, we'll be sure to make more videos like this, well, about airsoft, and see you on the next one.